Hello and Assalamualaikum. I am Muhammad Firdaus bin Zainal Aswadi from AS 201 6A1, Faculty of Applied Science. I'm going to present about forest structure and species richness of Dipterocarpaceae at Lesong Forest Reserve. Now let's start with the introduction. Dipterocarpaceae can be found in South Asian and African timber tree. There are at least 22 genera and 680 species has been found. Dipterocarpaceae are also useful in timber industry. The problem statement here is excessive harvesting can cause the extinction of Dipterocarpaceae. Hence, forest explorers must gain profits by harvesting only on optimum scale. There are two objectives for these studies. The first, determine the tree species composition of Dipterocarpaceae and also estimating the biomass. There are methodology need to carry to perform this experiment. First, by measuring the tree diameter using a method proposed by Hush 2003 at the diagram on the right side. Then collect the sample and identify them, and there are three things need to be analyzed. First is the taxonomy, then the forest structure, and also the tree diversity. Now let's start with the result and discussion for this experiment. The data obtained are being recorded by using Microsoft Excel. There are total of 949 number of individuals involved in 0.5 hectare of Lesong Forest Reserve Pahang. By referring to table 4.1, Dipterocarpaceae is recorded the highest number of individuals with 535 trees, while Shoria is recorded as the highest number of species, which is 16 species. Dipterocarpaceae are high tree, which makes them easier to reach the sunlight and keep on growing. Shoria has high survival rate because they can still keep on growing even living on the soil that are low fertile. By referring to table 4.3, which is the comparison of Dipterocarpaceae in the whole Peninsula Malaysia and also in Lesong Forest Reserve Pahang only, there are 8 genus out of 9 genus found, which makes them 88 or 9% exist only in Lesong Forest Reserve Pahang as compared to whole Peninsula Malaysia. Next, there are about 41 species that is found as compared to there are a total of 157 species has been found in whole Peninsula Malaysia by Turner, which makes them only 26.1% that are found in Lesong Forest Reserve Pahang. After the calculation has been made by using formula given, Margalef index, Shannon index, and evenness index has been can be determined, which equal to 5.84, 2.0, and 0.54 respectively. Now let's focus on figure 4.1. The DBH class 5 cm to 14.9 cm is recorded as the highest value with 370 trees involved. This is because the bigger size tree, the bigger diameter tree is being cut down as raw materials for goods and safety purposes. By referring to table 4.9, 54.8% out of 949 individuals is being dominated by Dipterocarpaceae aromatica with 520 number of individuals. Their this species also exists in all number of plot, which 8 out of 8, which makes the frequency is 100%. The basal area has the highest value, which 51.21 meters squared per hectare, which makes the percentage is 42.31%. And the last one, there is 34.48% importance value index, which shows the dominance of this species. Based on the 4 elements that have been studied, it is concluded that Triobalanops aromatica has the highest total biomass can be obtained per hectare, which is 795.69 ton per hectare, equals to 41.39%. As a conclusion, Triobalanops is recorded as the highest number of individuals, while Shorea has the highest numbers of species. Then Triobalanops aromatica is recorded as the highest total biomass per hectare. And as the recommendation, this type of research must be carried before harvest any forest to avoid from extinction. It is the end of the presentation. Thank you.